From the center of the universe, Toronto, Ontario, Canada, this is the SDM Show with your host, Rob Cairns. The SDM Show focuses on business, life, productivity, digital marketing, WordPress, and more. Sit back, relax, grab your favorite drink, and enjoy the show. Here is Rob.
Hey everybody, I'm Rob Cairns. I'm the founder, CEO, and chief creator of Amazing Ideas at Stunning Digital Marketing. In today's quick tip and podcast, I talk about the number one tip for productivity and your email. Grab a drink, relax, and enjoy the podcast. Hey everybody, Rob here again. In today's quick podcast, I wanted to give you a tip that could save you endless amounts of time during your business day. One of the problems that we have is we've all become a slave to our email accounts, and we all get it. Somebody sends you an email, they don't get a response within a couple minutes, they pick up the phone or send you a text and say, "Did you get my email yet?" And really, this is a bit of a problem because personally, I think email has its uses, and that's communicating. But we need to realize just because everybody has a smartphone in their pocket and access to a computer or a tablet, that doesn't mean they have to be a slave to their email. And I try and impress this upon friends, family especially, and clients even more so, that I typically, as a rule, only check my email 3 or 4 times a day. And let me give you kind of how I do it. I check my email in the morning when I start my business day. I check my email around lunchtime. I usually check it mid-afternoon and sometimes the end of the day, early evening. That's it. I am not a slave to my email unless I'm specifically looking for something, and then I'll go look for it. The problem is every time you stop a task and start a new task, you lose 5 minutes on each side of that task. So checking your email, say 5 or 10 times a day, actually costs you more in lost productivity because you got to think about where you were at in the previous task, why you switched into your email, and then how you got back to your previous task. So my tip is check your email 3 or 4 times a day on a schedule. Inform your clients that if they really need to get a hold of you, to pick up the phone and call you. And don't worry about being a slave to your email, waiting for that email that might come. If it's going to come, it will come, and then you can schedule it appropriately. Emergencies need to be dealt with by more immediate matter, and that's a phone call. So try that out. Limit the amount of time you check your email during the day, and during that day you check it, you respond, you answer, you flag it for to-do. And that's my quick tip about increasing productivity. Don't be a slave to your email. Rob Cairns, founder, CEO, and chief creator of Amazing Ideas at Stunning Digital Marketing. Have a great day, everybody. Bye for now.
Thank you for listening to this edition of the SDM Show. The SDM Show is brought to you by Rob Cairns and Stunning Digital Marketing. For more information about Rob Cairns and Stunning Digital Marketing, go to stunningdigitalmarketing.info. From here, you can connect to us on social media, go to our website, and even go to the podcast to subscribe. This podcast is dedicated to my late father, Bruce Cairns. Dad, I miss you very much. Keep your feet on the ground. Keep reaching for the stars. Make your business succeed.